And so here's the chicken, garlic salt. And then this Himalayan pink salt. And then I'm gonna add some pepper. Just do the regular one since I can't twist with while recording. Just do a little owl pepper shaker. Some pepper. Then I'm gonna mix it up. And we're gonna put some olive oil on. Olive oil, avocado oil. And here we go. So I'm adding this garlic powder to it. I like a lot of garlic powder. And then some onion powder. Sorry if these clips are a little crazy. Some onion powder in there. Yum. And then I'm gonna fry them up. So I already put one piece on. This is how the chicken is looking. Frying it up. I'm gonna stir it around. So these are the veggies I got. And so it's just white onion. That looks kind of like avocado, but it's actually zucchini. It's just the way that I peeled it. And then I have yellow bell peppers on the bottom, and you'll see that when I throw them in. But I'll take the chicken out and then fry the veggies and then combine it all together. Woohoo! Okay, so I just took the stir fry seasoning mix and I put it in this bowl, and now I just do 1 part hot water, 1 part cold. Get a couple of spoons in there. Actually, I can just kind of pour it, just like you need like 3 tablespoons. That's fine. And just mix it up. Later, I also want to add this ginger at some point. Ground some ginger in there. And I think it'll make it taste really good. Gonna get all the clumps out. So this is gonna be like a little dressing. I literally bought this at the grocery store, and it's just so fast. So I like to thoroughly chicken. That's why it's still cooking, because I don't know, I just don't want my chicken raw and like, yeah. So I even like go as far as to break some of the pieces down like that, just to make sure yo girl is not getting sick. I don't know, something about like chicken, I just want it to be cooked good. So anyway, so there's the chicken. So I got the veggies here and the sauce. And then I think I'm going to do the ginger all the way at the end, just to give it some like fragrance and taste, and yeah. Alright. Alright, so I am currently taking out the chicken, putting it in a bowl with some paper towel in it. And then I'm going to fry up the veggies. Now that all the chicken is out, I just throw on the veggies. And there's that onion and yellow bell pepper. There it is. And now I'm just going to fry this, saute it down a little bit. And then we're going to add our Asian style stir fry seasoning mix. And this is like such a fast recipe. I feel like for a stir fry sometimes I just love that you can just throw it all together and not have to like think of like a complicated, you know, mix. So I just literally bought that at like, I think it was Winco, and boom, it's fast. I'll show you how these veggies look once they get a little color. I love how like this is all yellow and the green from the zucchini. It's crazy because the zucchini almost looks like avocado. Like an unripe avocado. And then here's the chicken. So I just kind of let it, you know, get some of the oil off. I'm probably going to dab a paper towel on the top too. And then I'm going to throw this back in here in a little bit. Woo! Okay, so I leave it on like a 6. So I think that's like medium high. I don't know. Anyways, that's what they're looking like. I wonder if I should have did the zucchini separately. Hopefully it all cooks evenly. Cause, yeah, and then I also try to break up the onions. Get it good. Yeah, and then I put the cover to help it all cook together, and it smells amazing. I got some ginger here, and I'm just gonna peel like the sides, and I'm gonna use this little thing to grate it. So I threw in some ginger into here, and this is starting to get a little charred, a little wilted, and woohoo, it's coming together. And then here's some chicken that I'm gonna throw back inside here. Okay, that's better because there's a lot of veggies to cover and stuff, so added a little more water, and now we put it in. There we go. And just mix the stir fry mix with the chicken and the veggies. And there's that. Also, I add some organic toasted sesame seeds. Just like that. And I made this before without zucchini, and like I made it with onion and I think it was onion and then like another vegetable. And I love the zucchini. I just tried the zucchini. It tastes so good in here. The rice is looking good. I'm just fluffing it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna add a little garlic salt. Sometimes I add butter. But yeah, I'm just gonna put the veggies on top. Alright guys, there's the finished product. Chicken veggie stir fry over brown rice.